So hey everyone, I'm back once again, and the time has come right now that I tell you how you can build your own website or you can build your own funnel absolutely for free. But before you move forward in this video and start building your funnel or your website, if you're not having a business plan in this moment and if you're not sure what you're going to sell, whether it be some product or it be some service, let me tell you, this is the third video of this series. Previously in this series, I have told all of you or taught all of you how you can plan your own business, how you can do some market research, and also how you can select the right brand name for your business. Once you are done with that, you can come back to this video and start building a website or a funnel for those products or services. Initially, when we start with a business, we don't have a huge amount of money or we want to try out the products. So going with a free plan is always the best option. Later on, when our business is growing, I always suggest to go for some paid subscription, which gives us a lot of benefits and automations, which helps us to grow our business to the next level. So initially, without wasting any time, if you are new to our channel, my name is Ritabande. I'm the co-founder of Vivid Trails, and let's get started with today's video. Hey everyone, as you can see, I'm on the Instamojo's website right now. This is the best platform if you want to get started with an online store. So you can just sign up from here. After clicking on the sign up option, a thing like this is going to come up. I have already made a dummy account to show all of you guys, but in case if you face difficulty even with the sign up process, you might see my previous video where I show you in details about the sign up process and where I create this dummy account. So I'll just sign up with Google. That's the easiest option. If you are having the Gmail account, it will be okay with you. So let's click on this option and I'll just sign up. So after signing up, a screen like this is going to come up. I'm on the dashboard section and you can see over here there's an option that please set up payments to enable the buying option. The thing is that I haven't uploaded any of my documents or the official government informations like my PAN card details and all of that over here into this website, and since I haven't done all of that, my account is not yet activated, but that is not going to stop me to show you how you can set up your online store. Few of the features are not active. For example, the payment link option is not active. If I go to set up payments, they will ask for all of these details like my PAN card, my name, my address, state, GST, etc. GST is optional, by the way. So you have to fill up all these details before you get started. That is a very important thing to do, but mostly you will have this kind of details, so it's a very easy sign up process. And after that, I'll just quickly go. These features are not yet active, like the payment links, smart pages, APIs, reseller. These kind of options are not available, but I am having my original account from which I have been taking payments since the time when I started my business. So right now I have other gateways that I used to, but this is something I got started with. So I'll show you with that primary account how you can use these features as well. Now going back to the products option, which is the most important part that I'm going to show over here. I click on the products, I'll click on all products, and then I'll show you how you can add products to your online store. So here is a button over here named as add product. I'll click on the add product option. And after clicking on the add product option, you will get four options. One is a physical product, one is a digital file, one is event ticket, and one is other. The mostly used two options are physical product or digital file, which you are going to lead. Both these things are pretty much similar, just the physical product will ask for the customer shipping address, the digital product won't ask for it. So I'll start off with the physical product. I'll click on this one and I'll show you how awesome this store is even on a free version. Right now you can see I can add images. The thing is that I can only add up to 3 images. I cannot add more than that without going for the premium plan. Now, I think if you're just getting started, 3 images is good enough if you want to get started and sell your products online. Same thing, this title and description is available almost everywhere, so nothing to say about that. You can offer them a price which is a fixed price, or pay what you want or free, but mostly of course you are going to go for the fixed price option, but you can offer a sale. For example, if I'm keeping the price 500, I can keep the discounted price to be 450, that then the customer will be getting 10% discount. So this kind of offers you can also run in your online store, but that is not the best part. The best part which I like the most in case of this InstaMojo store is that you get live inventory management. For example, if you're having maybe 50 products, 50 or you're selling hoodies maybe, and you're having 50 hoodies in your stock, and if you just upload the number 50 over here, once each and every hoodie is getting sold out, it is automatically updating the data over there. So once all the 50 pieces are sold out, it will automatically make that product out of stock. So nothing to keep in your head, everything will be automated in your store. Other than that, this is the weight, the SKU, the shipping details, the shipping fees, all those information will be there. You can upload it. This is a very common thing. About variants, this is also an interesting feature, like you can add variants, for example, the size, maybe the color options, etc. There are categories. For example, if you have a slight bigger business, you have 4 or 5 categories in your business. Maybe you are selling coffee mugs, you are selling t-shirt, and you are also selling maybe hoodies. So you can keep 3 categories, like you see Flipkart or Amazon is keeping, like there is a t-shirt category, there is a men category, there is a woman category, there is a maybe kids category. So you can just categorize your product so it can give a seamless experience to your customers, and they can shop very nicely in your shop without any hassle. Going down, the reseller option is there. Let's keep this option for now. The search engine optimization, like if your store is going to rank on Google or not, that kind of things is only available in the premium plan. So there are few things that are available in the premium plan. The premium plan is also a lot better than the free plan, but switch to the premium plan once you are ready to invest some money. Maybe you have sold like 50 or 100 of your product, and then you have got some money, then you invest more into your business and go for a premium plan. That is a better option to start with. The webhook is also not available without the premium plan being activated. Now, if you are having already a stable offline business and then you are shifting to online, you already have a nice kind of revenue, then starting with a big online store, I would suggest you to go for the premium plan. Otherwise, if you're just getting started, the free plan works exactly fine. I'll show you and take you through the premium plans as well right now. I'll just click on this view plans option, and a screen like this is going to open up. So the current plan is light. The light plan is completely free. You can see over here it says 0 per year. The starter plan, for me, according to me, it's useless. Never go for the starter plan. It takes the same amount of these charges as it is taking in the free plan as well. That really doesn't make any sense to me. I am already getting 3 images, 3 banner images. It doesn't make any sense to me. The growth plan is the one which is the game changer over here, because you can use discount coupons. You can give your loyal customers a discount coupon that they can use in the next sale, or they can keep on using maybe a 10% discount coupon or something like that. And the best part is you can save a lot of money on the transaction fees, because with every transaction or every sale you are making with InstaMojo store, they will be taking 5% charge plus 3 rupees transaction fees on each and every sale. If you are selling hundreds and thousands of products per month, this 3% reduction in the transaction fees would matter to you, and it is a very important thing as well, I guess, for your business in long run. 10 images per product, another very important feature. SEO option, very important feature. Advanced analytics, like which of your products are getting more views, which of your products are getting more customers. This kind of advanced analytics options is also getting integrated over here. So the growth plan is the best option to move forward with, and you are also getting a free domain. And not only that, I will provide you with a referral link in the description box below. On using that, you will get another 1,000 rupees off on this growth plan. I'll suggest you all to go for the yearly plan, because you will see the monthly plan is a lot more costlier compared to the yearly plan. So this is all about the basics of the InstaMojo store that I'm showing you on the dummy account. Let me take you to the actual account I have, and I will show you the features which I cannot show you over here in this store. So as you all can see, I have logged into my original InstaMojo account right now. when I started off my business, I was using this account since the first day. Right now I have a lot more options, but this is such a beginner friendly one to get started with. I am over here in the payments option, and over here this is a very important part, that is you can always keep a track of your payments, and you can always keep a track of which is the customer, like who is the customer who is the paying the money, his or her details, what is the amount of transaction that you are making, and how much money you are making. This is a first and very important portion. You all know how much money is important in case of business, so you need to keep a track of that. The next important thing is that the money doesn't go directly into your bank account. It goes into the InstaMojo's gateway account, which get transferred to your bank account after InstaMojo deducts its 5% fees. So over here you can keep a track of how much amount is getting into your bank account every day. And also you have to keep a track that are you getting the bank account transfers in T+2 model, you can say, like once the money goes into InstaMojo's account, it pays it out after 2 days. So that is what we call T+2 kind of a model. After that, there is refunds. It is a nice option to keep a nice refund policy in your store. Maybe if you get a defective product, maybe someone is not satisfied with your product, someone is having some kind of issues, someone is placed the order into a wrong shipping address or something like that. So that is the case where you give them a refund. So before your money get transferred to your bank account, you can offer a refund to your customers. So right now I'm lucky that I haven't used the refund feature much. I just had to do it just once with InstaMojo at least. Then there is a shipping option. InstaMojo has an integrated shipping option. InstaMojo provides you with shipping services as well. Once you are selling, you can just integrate in your store using just a single click. So this shipping option will be activated. I won't use this much anymore. I don't like it much specifically. Moving forward, these are the things. Another thing I didn't tell you, that is the payment links and the payment pages. Now the payment links are easy to make link. You can always click on the create new option, click on this payment link. You can just write, maybe you got a custom order, maybe you got an order for 10 hoodies. I'll just write hoodies 10 quantity, and I will just write the amount, maybe 10,000. It is not on your store. Maybe you are providing with a single person or a single order, but sometimes you got a custom order and you are giving some bulk discount or something like that. That's where this payment links comes in, and you can just create this payment link, and you can just copy and you can just share it on WhatsApp, by email, and you can just make a QR code of it, and all of these options are easily available. Now going back, I'll show you what this option does, that is the smart pages. I'll just create new, I'll just go to smart page, and over here you can just build a mini web page of your own, you can say so, because you can create a title, you can upload images, you can upload like a color theme, you can do a light theme or a dark theme option. The purpose of the payment you can write, the amount you can write, the pay now button you can change. Over here you can just write a little bit of details. You can write FAQs like frequently asked question. So there's a lot of things you can do. But if you're already using the online store option, then you won't be needing this page over here, because I haven't needed it ever. So I didn't use it ever. But sometimes if you feel like if you're having a single page store, and if you're a little bit lazy to create an entire online store, you want to start your business with a single page or a single web page, then you might use this page option, smart pages option. Now I'll show you to what extent you can develop or design or create your online store. Because when I started, I created my first online store using InstaMojo, and I did a good amount of business using that free online store before I had my own website and all of these things. So I'll show you how you can, like, to what extent you can develop your site. So that's why I'm going to show you my old InstaMojo store that I made maybe 2.5 or 3 years back when I just got started. Okay, so let me show it to you right now. So here we have our InstaMojo store that we have made like a few years back, like I was telling all of you. And you can see the overall appearance of the store looks very much professional if you're just getting started. One negative thing is that this search button doesn't works very nicely. For example, if I'm searching for, I was selling art materials mostly at that time, and also I guess a few artworks and all of that. So over here, if I'm searching for watercolor, so it shows no result, but once I type the whole thing, then it will start showing you results. So this is something, I won't say it is the best store to work with, but I would say if you're going for a free store, this is the best one to work with, because this kind of a user interface, this kind of like scroll features, the discount features, you can write a lot about yourself, you get so many products with different kind of image options, you can add a lot of images and all of that. So this things doesn't comes for free. Okay, so that is something why I like this Instamojo store. But like I mentioned, it is a nice store if you're starting free. If you want to go and scale your business, you have to take a paid plan of the Instamojo store. Otherwise, you might face difficulty in scaling or in growing your business, because you will be lacking in a lot of features which might be your competitors will be having in their store. So this is about the thing that I was telling regarding the product option if you're dealing in the product market. Now what to do if you have some services, if you're offering consultation or something like that, what to do regarding that. For that also you may use the Instamojo store, but I would prefer and I would suggest you a better option that I'm going to tell you right now. Now the website that I'm going to tell you about right now for selling your services is this one, that is GetResponse. You can find the link to this website in my description box below, so you make sure you check it out, explore this website. You can sign up for free as well, and please wait till my next video. I don't want to make this video too long, so this is for the product option. For the service option, I'm coming up with the next video where I'm going to tell you in details of how you can use this GetResponse in a super awesome way and some secret features of this GetResponse as well. So everyone, that's it for today. So those who are starting off with the Instamojo store, listing their products and everything, I hope you all are happy with the content of this video. Those who were planning to sell their services, don't get angry with me. I'm coming up really soon with the next video, and it is going to be a very detailed video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, because that video is going to be one of its kind. I promise you all of that. Without wasting any time, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, like my video, and let me know in the comment section below if you're having any question that I might answer in the next one. Okay everyone, bye.